Hey guys, Ringmaster Ray again, and Hey guys, Ringmaster Ray, and Hey guys, Ringmaster Ray. I wanted to show you one of my pickups from my LCS today because this is just a beautiful coin. Look at that 1858 O. You can see all the detail. Look at her hair, her eyes, everything. Full Liberty there. Just absolutely a beautiful coin for a seated $50. And then even on the back, it's just lustrous and very, very nice. Hey guys, Ringmaster Ray, and I am going to do an album fill with my Canadian silver dollars here. Goes from 1935 to 1967. These are beautiful albums. They are made by Lighthouse, and they are super nice. Very comparable to how the dance codes are with the pens there. Able to add pages if you need to. But I've got quite a few here. I've got a total of 8 of these that we're going to be adding in for this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. First thing is we're going to start here with the 1950s, and I believe I have the one here. Yep. And this one, I will have to look at the water lines on that where they were normal. So let me pull my scope over here. I'm going to slide this over a little bit, give myself some room. We're going to take a look. Oh, I already had it on. Totally messed that up. Okay. Let me close that. Open this. And we are going to look at the scope here. If I can get it to pull up. It's not wanting to play nice. Sorry about that, guys. Scope is being difficult. Okay, now we got it. Okay, very good. All right, here, I'm going to show you what I'm looking at over here. And what we're going to be looking for is the water lines next to the canoe here. And there should be 5. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's what we should be seeing. That would be the normal water lines. That's what we want for this one here. All right, there we go. All right, so we're going to crack that open. That's going to go right there in that spot. I'm going to find my little pocket knife here. I'm going to crack this plastic. And I'll show you how nice some of these are. They are absolutely beautiful for their age, for sure. These are some nice grades on here. And now we're just going to close that. I definitely bent the plastic on that. Flip it around then. And get it to do that. I just didn't have that plastic pulled far enough out. I hate when I do that, but it doesn't really hurt anything. All right, next up is we have a 51, and we're going to look at the same thing here, whether it has the normal water lines. Some of these are marked on the back if they're correct or not. So let's take a look here. Let's go back to the scope. Right there we are, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that looks like the normal. Come to this side here. Yep, that looks like the normal. Okay, so we're gonna come on back. We'll get this one loaded in. So this has been quite an adventure trying to fill this up. I still have quite a few more that I need to get for sure. That will come in time. And let's see, we have next, I have a 54, that we're going to be putting in. We're going to switch over to this page. So that one right there. And some of these are just absolutely stunning. This one is a BU. It is beautiful. Very, very nice coin. All right, we're gonna get her dropped in. 1954. There we go. So I spent several years still working on this. I have a long ways to go. As you guys can see, there's still plenty of spots, but I'm still working on it. Okay, so I do have the normal water lines for this 1955, and I have one that is this one here, and that's what I was looking for. Let me take a look at the scope and I can show you the difference. Okay, so that one we got. $1954, or 55, excuse me. 1955. That one's a gorgeous coin too. All right, and then I have another 55. I just bought both of them just in case. This one is just absolutely stunning, but so is that one. I mean, I just picked it up because it was that nice. I'm just gonna hold on to it. It's got some beautiful kind of goldish blue toning starting on it, and it is definitely choice. High grade there, shoulder fold and everything. Super nice coin. Next we have the 56. And this is definitely proof-like. And uncirculated. Now these are all 80% silver. That still adds up to a lot of silver by the time you get one of these albums full. And it's just really neat to kind of go back and look at all these and all the different dates and the different varieties of these. All right, so next I have a 59, which it looks like I already have a 59. And both are super nice, very proof-like too. So I'm just gonna hold on to that as an extra. And then I needed a 62. And I've already got a 62. Sometimes I just end up with duplicates, but that's okay. So we ended up getting 4 of those in there. I do have some more that I'm going to be picking up tomorrow at the coin shop. And I'm going to be adding at least the 47 in, which is one of the key dates for these. So I do have a few more, one of the 47s. I'm not sure which one they are. I'll have to look at which one it's going to be. And then I still have quite a few. I do have a 45, but it is in a proof-like set. And so I did not want to take that out of there for that reason, because that is a very expensive set. And then I need the 38 and some of the 46s and the 48. We'll see what else we got there when I get to the coin shop tomorrow. So, but we do got a few more coins that we're going to be adding in here to the other dollar album, or one I should say. I picked up this beautiful set of uncirculated coins there. This is from 91. It's a nice set. We're going to get over to 91 right there. So I'm just going to crack this open, and then all of these will go into all of my albums. Let me get it just popped open here. Hopefully they didn't glue it. Hopefully just stuck it together. Should just snap apart. Should, would, coulda. You never know. Ah, yep. They had glued it. That's okay. It is coming apart. There we go. So this one is a nice, beautiful 91 loon. That one's going to go right there. Some of these I definitely need some upgrades on, because most of these are proofs that I have in here, and then like this one is just the regular business strikes. But as I get the proofs, they're going to go back here, or you know, as extras in there so that I have them. All right, so we have that album complete. I'm going to put in a 91 $half if I need it. So let me grab it. Here is the 50-cent Canada book. We're going to be going over to 91 and see if I need that. Nope, we do not. But this one is very nice also. This one is about equal in that. So we'll close that up. We don't need that one. Let's try the 91 in quarters. And where are you? There we go. So this is the quarter album. We are about close to getting out of time, and then we're going to head over to Miss Coin Crew for this premiere train. And we have had a blast all day, and we're going to have a blast for the rest of the day. I hope you guys come join me at Early Bird Trade Day also. Oop, that is the wrong coin for that. This is the one we need. And that will be our final coin for today's video. There we are. For Canadian. So I do collect Canadian, Mexico, and US. I had to kind of hone down on all the stuff that I had and kind of just focus on those 3 countries there. And so far, it's done really well. So, all right, guys, let's head over to Miss Coin Crew. Love you all. Have a wonderful day.